Hi guys, and welcome to another one of my painting videos. I am Michaela and this is my art channel. Now, a few days ago, I ended a contest that I had on my Facebook page where you were able to win a seahorse painting made by me. And I found a sweet girl named Tina as my winner. And a few days ago, we spoke on the phone and we talked about which colors she would like to have on her personal seahorse. So today I am gonna start making it. I'm very excited. I have done quite a few seahorses before, but it's actually been quite a while since I did my last one. So I'm very honored that I get to do one for her. She actually has a cafe in Jylland, also in Denmark, and she wants the seahorse to look beautiful in her cafe. So I'm very excited. But how do I actually make a seahorse? I know that there are many different ways you can prepare for your seahorse, but I'm a little bit old-fashioned in that way. So let me show you what I do. Okay guys, now I am ready to show you my old-fashioned way in the beginning process of making my seahorse painting. Now I do know that there are different kinds of templates that you can have for a seahorse. I know if you live in the US or in Canada or France or whatever, you can probably get it very easily. But here in Denmark, it's not that easy. So I decided, okay, let's do it the, again, old-fashioned way, and let's just make one myself. So what I do before I start making my seahorse is that I actually use a lot of papers trying to make a seahorse the way I want it to look. So as you can see, I have several pages of funny looking seahorses. Some actually look really cute and others look a bit scary. So I want to do a cute one. As you can see, I have many seahorses made today. I actually made them when I was working in my shoe store. So yeah, I want the nose to be not too long, not too pointy, not too wide, not too narrow. And I want the head to have that really nice round shape. So I made a few. Actually, I made this one you can see here, right here. Can you see it? It's right that one. That one actually looks a lot like the seahorse that I would like to have on my canvas. So I'm really looking forward to this. Now the canvas that I'm doing this seahorse on is a 35 by 70 centimeters. I don't know the inch measurement, but I do have it right here. So it's can you see? It's pretty long. So yeah, I'm gonna do a white base, and Tina has chosen some beautiful green colors, also mixed with some Venetian rose and some gold. So this is the way that I do, what was this? Okay, some work stuff. So this is actually how I make my cute seahorses. And as you can see, I'm not very talented in drawing, especially the eyes. Looks a bit scary and goofy. But also you can see this one, actually, the one down here, I gave it a little bit of a bump. So yeah, but the most important thing is you have fun when you do it. And when you have made, I don't know, maybe 5, 10, 50, or 100 seahorses, you find the shape that you want to have on your seahorse. So for the next video, I am actually going to be drawing my seahorse on my canvas, and I will also show you which colors I am going to do the seahorse in. So that is all for now. Me and all my funny looking seahorses wish you a wonderful weekend, and I will see you in the next one in a few days. Remember, if you like this video, if you would like to see more from me and my seahorses, I would like it if you subscribe to my channel, and you can also hit the notification bell so you will know immediately when I have posted a new video. Okay guys, that's it for now. See you next time. Bye.